Hey there. Today I'm going to show y'all how to make suet to feed your birds at home in your suet feeders. I've got some things gathered here. I've got pork fat from Bel Air, some mixed bird seed, a pot, rimmed cookie sheet, and some parchment paper. So the first thing you're going to do is take this pork fat and put it into the pot here. So I have all my pork fat into my pot. I'm going to take it inside and put it on the stove, medium low, until all this fat has rendered and it's liquidy. So it took about an hour for me to render that fat. I will say I did turn it up to medium and I put a lid over it. You'll see there are some little crispy bits left in here. I'm just going to pick those out and put them over here in the lid. And then next thing I'm going to do is, I've let it cool a little bit. Now I'm going to pour in this bird seed. And just stir it around a little bit. And honestly, I think I need a little more bird seed. So I'm going to go get some of that and I'll show you what we do next. Okay, so I added more bird seed to this rendered pork fat. And you'll see here that earlier while I was letting that render, took my cookie sheet and I used just binder clips to hold parchment paper in the bottom. It aids in cleanup and it helps the suet come out of the pan. So the next thing we need to do is just pour all this in here. Now I'm using a ladle just because I don't have someone holding the camera for me, so we're just going to keep on putting this in until it's full up. I think I had said earlier, you probably want to use a lid on this when you're rendering, just to cut down on the mess in the kitchen. Tuck this corner in just a little bit there. Now it's been a while since I've made this. You can actually add some peanut butter to it after you get the fat rendered if you'd like. It would be best to use the unsalted natural kind. And I'm just giving a little stir. Some of these seeds are all settling in one place. I kind of want them distributed throughout. And I'm just about there. So you can see that it's all the way to the edge, top edge of the cookie sheet. If you have less fat, you might want to use a smaller pan. So I'm going to let this cool here outside for a little while, and then I'm going to stick it in the refrigerator so that it will harden overnight.